Today's video is all about the top 5 catnip toys, and we're excited to share our thoughts with you all. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking for the perfect toy to keep your fluffy friend entertained? Look no further than the Kitten Catnip toys. These 5 plush cat chew toys are not only cute with their animal shapes, but they are also safe and durable. Made of cotton linen filled with PP cotton and catnip, these toys are ideal for chewing and dragging around. Your cat will go crazy over these toys filled with catnip, making them energetic and helping to reduce separation anxiety. Plus, the fine stitches ensure durability during playtime. It's not just fun and games, these toys also help keep your cat's teeth clean and promote oral health. Whether it's indoors, in the yard, or in the garden, these interactive toys will provide hours of fun and exercise for your feline friend. And don't forget, they make a great holiday gift for any cat lover. Looking for a way to keep your indoor cats entertained and active? The Puffect Playtime Kit is here to save the day. With a set of 12 colorful and interactive catnip toys, this kit is designed to stimulate your feline friend's natural hunting instincts. Each toy comes with premium organic catnip that will drive your cat wild with excitement. From fish and starfish to birds and frogs, this assortment of toys offers a variety of sounds like squeaks, crackles, and rattles to keep your cat engaged. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to endless fun with the Puffect Playtime Kit. Jenny from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "They love the catnip." Nakia from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Couldn't believe how many items received. Such a deal. Kitty loves them all." Looking for a new toy to entertain your furry friend? Our Kitty Claw Licks Line Cat toy is the perfect choice. This 3.75-inch plush toy is infused with irresistible catnip and emits a delightful crinkle sound that will keep your cat engaged for hours on end. Crafted from ultra-soft baby plush material, our toy provides maximum comfort for your feline friend while satisfying their natural predatory instincts. Safety is our priority, so rest assured that our high-quality plush toy is durable and can withstand even the most spirited play sessions. Treat your cat to endless fun with our funny and realistic plush toy, guaranteed to bring joy to both you and your beloved pet. Reginald from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "Good-size cat toy, fits in a paw and can be batted around the house. Hours of fun for the cat." Looking for the perfect gift to treat your feline friend? Look no further than the Dog Catnip chew toys. These playful toys are filled with catnip and designed with breathable fabric to entice your cats for endless hours of fun. The fine suture of the toy ensures it's bite-resistant and durable, so you can rest assured it will withstand your cat's playful antics. Made from high-quality materials like durable cotton linen, soft PP cotton, and natural catnip, these toys are safe for your furry companions to enjoy. Whether it's indoor or outdoor play, these chew toys are ideal for reducing boredom and separation anxiety in your pets. Plus, with our top-notch customer service offering 100% refund or replacement if you're not satisfied, you can trust in the quality of Dog Catnip chew toys. Spoil your cats today with these engaging and safe toys. If you're looking for the perfect way to keep your feline friend entertained and healthy, look no further than the Tintop Catnip chew toys. These natural silvervine sticks are not only beneficial for your cat's dental care but also help increase appetite, calm anxiety and stress, and cater to aggressive chewers. With 12-pack cat chew toys included in this set, your cat will never run out of fun and beneficial playtime. The silvervine chew sticks are irresistible to cats due to the actinidine and nepentolactone content, keeping them happy and energetic. By promoting teeth grinding and cleaning, these toys help maintain your cat's oral hygiene by removing plaque and tartar. Additionally, the organic silvervine sticks aid in digestion by promoting gastrointestinal motility and enhancing appetite. Made from natural ingredients like silvervine, raffia, sisal rope, and gallfruit, these toys are completely safe for your furry friend to enjoy. With a high approval rate among cats and harmless reactions like excitement, sneezing, or purring expected during playtime, the Tintop Catnip chew toys are a must-have for every cat parent looking to provide their pet with hours of joy and health benefits. I hope you enjoyed our video about the top 5 catnip toys. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.